I'm sweaty, but I got home from the store because, well, I was there for a few hours, but I got something. Oh, sweet nerdy Jesus. Let's see what's in this bad boy. So here's what you get. You get a ramen bowl with kurama on it, some chopsticks, a beanie, pin. Well, it's vinyl. Cool LED of Naruto in its sage form, and finally some socks. Open up pretty easily. Oh, look at that chopsticks! Oh, that's so cool! I'm definitely wearing this beanie. Dude, the socks are just as awesome too. Alright, let's pull out the LED light. Wow. I wonder, does it already have power in it? No, it doesn't. Well, I gotta get batteries then. There's decal. Here's this sweet, sweet ramen bowl. Let me just... Oh. Required both hands. Oh, Christ. There it is. I love a little kurama. I just even got the symbol for him, too. Needless to say, today is a good day.